Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best jewelry tools is probably one of the most essential investments for any jewelry enthusiast, from hobbyists crafting delicate earrings to seasoned professionals meticulously setting gemstones. Having the right tools at your fingertips can significantly impact the quality, efficiency, and overall enjoyment of your jewelry making process. This video will explore the top-rated jewelry tools available on the market today, helping you choose the perfect set to match your skill level and crafting style. Number 5. PAXCOO Jewelry Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to create beautiful jewelry. It's perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike. It includes 3 essential pliers: round nose, wire cutting, and chain nose. They feature double leaf springs and non-slip handles for comfortable and safe use. With 845 pieces, you'll have a huge selection of findings to choose from. This includes jump rings, clasps, eye pins, and much more. Besides the pliers and findings, it also contains copper wire, beading cord, needles, and various other useful tools. Everything is neatly organized for easy access. Whether you're making new jewelry or repairing old pieces, this kit simplifies the process. It's ideal for both professionals and hobbyists. If the pliers appear oily, don't worry. This is to prevent rust. Simply wipe them clean before use and reapply oil for storage. Unleash your creativity and start making stunning jewelry with the PAXCOO Jewelry Making Kit. It's everything you need to get started. What we like? It has everything you need to start making jewelry, from pliers to findings. If you're a beginner or need a comprehensive set, this is perfect for you. It's ideal for those wanting a wide variety of materials and tools to explore various jewelry making techniques. What people say. Everything I could think of or need so far is included, and I have tried each tool. Nice case, zipper seems to be durable. I even went up and down a few times, no hesitation. If you are brand new to the jewelry or crafting world, this is a good beginner's kit. All of the basic tools and bits are included to get you started. The tools are fine. If you only craft occasionally, then they will work for light use for the long term. The carry case holds all the tools and parts easily and is very durable. This kit has everything you need for starting out in the jewelry making field. I needed something that had a good variety of tools. This kit has worked out great. Number 4. Mr. Penn Jewelry Pliers. These aren't just pliers, they're your new best friend for all your jewelry making adventures. This 3-pack set has everything you need to create beautiful, unique pieces. The set includes needle nose pliers, round nose pliers, and side cutters. Each tool is designed for precision and ease of use, perfect for both beginners and professionals. Creating perfect loops and curves is a breeze with the round nose pliers' curved edges. They're designed to make jewelry making enjoyable. The long needle nose pliers are incredibly versatile. They're perfect for picking up, placing, shaping, and holding small components with precision. You may notice some oil on your new pliers. This is to prevent rust. Simply wipe them clean before use, and remember to reapply oil for long-term protection. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, these pliers are ideal for all your jewelry making needs. Unleash your creativity. What we like? This set focuses on essential pliers for jewelry making. If you are looking for a basic but reliable set of pliers, this is a great option. Its compact size and vibrant color make it perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. What people say. Very functional pliers. My wife uses them for miniature construction. Good size and sharpness. The set comes with a variety of pliers, including round nose, flat nose, and chain nose pliers, as well as wire cutters. The handles are ergonomically designed, making them comfortable to hold for extended periods of time without causing any strain on my hands. The jaws meet perfectly without any wobbling, ensuring precise and accurate manipulation of wires and findings. The smoothness of the jaws. They grip onto wires firmly without leaving any marks or scratches. Additionally, the wire cutters are sharp and precise, making clean cuts every time without any fraying or deformation of the wire. These are good pliers to use for jewelry making and are easy to handle and very helpful with all my wire work. They are sharp and I am cutting wire that is pretty thick in some parts. Number 3. Deluxe Jeweler's Bench Set. This comprehensive set is designed to elevate your jewelry making experience. It provides everything you need in one convenient package. It's built from high-quality solid wood, ensuring durability and stability for years to come. You'll appreciate its sturdy build and elegant design. The large work surface offers ample space for all your tools and materials. Enjoy the comfort and convenience of a well-organized workspace. Keep your tools neatly organized and within easy reach. It's designed for efficiency and to prevent clutter. The included shelf provides additional storage for your supplies. Maximize your workspace and keep everything you need close at hand. This set is your complete jewelry making studio. Everything you need to create beautiful pieces is included. What we like? This sturdy wooden bench provides a dedicated workspace for your jewelry making projects. If you're a serious jewelry maker who needs a dedicated and organized workspace, this is the best choice for you. The built-in storage keeps everything neat and accessible. What people say? Very well made, very easy to assemble, just follow simple instruction book. Overall happy with this bench. The work surface, very solid and at least 1 inch thick. Number 2. Shynek Jewelry Pliers. This versatile set includes needle nose, round nose, and wire cutter pliers, perfect for all your jewelry making needs. It's a must-have for any crafter or jewelry enthusiast. These pliers have long, tapering jaws ideal for reaching tight spaces. Use them for gripping, bending, and shaping delicate wires and jump rings. With their rounded jaws, these are perfect for creating loops in wire. They're essential for wire wrapping and making eye pins. These cutters are designed for clean cuts on thin metal wire and jewelry string. The flat blades allow for precise cutting in hard-to-reach areas. The pliers have an oil coating to prevent rust. Simply wipe them clean before your first use and reapply oil for storage. Whether you're repairing jewelry, creating wire wrap designs, or working on other crafts, this set has you covered. They are perfect for a wide variety of DIY projects. What we like? This set includes 3 high-quality pliers for various jewelry making tasks. If you need durable and versatile pliers for precise work, this is a great option. Its functionality makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced jewelry makers. What people say? The cutter is sharp and the pliers are perfect for bending and twisting the wire. I appreciate their small size. This set is great for small part placement. I used to bend wires to hang Christmas bulbs in a cabinet. The tools help me to put jump rings on my charms when I am making bracelets. The tools work well and I have not had any issues. Number 1. JTS Deluxe Soldering Kit. This kit has everything you need to get started with jewelry soldering. It's packed with premium quality tools and materials, all at a great price. We've carefully selected each item in this kit to ensure it's of the highest quality. You'll be able to use these tools and materials for years to come. This comprehensive kit includes 26 essential tools and materials. Everything you need for your jewelry soldering projects is right here. It features the renowned Smith Little Torch, a key component for precise and efficient soldering. This torch is known for its reliability and performance. From various solders and flux to heat boards and a pickle pot, it has all the essentials for successful jewelry soldering applications. Everything is included for your convenience. These are fundamental tools that will always be needed. They are designed to last, providing years of reliable service. What we like? This kit contains all the essential tools and materials for jewelry soldering. If you're into jewelry soldering and need a complete, high-quality kit, this is the one for you. It's perfect for professionals and serious hobbyists alike. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.